When it comes to improving the value of your home, certain renovations stand out as particularly worthwhile investments. One such upgrade that can significantly boost the appeal and value of your property is the installation of new windows. Whether you're looking to sell your home in Bartow or simply want to enhance your living space, new windows can make a remarkable difference. Here's how. Enhanced curb appeal. The first thing potential buyers notice when they approach your property is the exterior. Windows are one of the most visible features of your home, and outdated or worn-out windows can detract from your home's curb appeal. New windows, on the other hand, can dramatically improve the appearance of your home's facade. Whether you opt for sleek modern designs or classic styles, new windows give your home an instant facelift that makes it more attractive from the street. In Bartow, where neighborhoods can vary from charming historic homes to newer developments, the right windows can harmonize with your home's architectural style, creating a more inviting and cohesive look. Whether your windows feature energy-efficient glass, stylish frames, or simply a clean, polished finish, they help make your property stand out to passers-by and potential buyers. Energy efficiency and cost savings. One of the key benefits of upgrading your windows is the improvement in energy efficiency. Older windows, especially those that are single-pane or poorly sealed, can let in drafts and allow conditioned air to escape, leading to higher heating and cooling costs. New, energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced technology, such as double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and insulating gas fills, all of which help keep your home comfortable year-round. In Bartow's hot, humid summers and mild winters, energy-efficient windows can be a significant selling point for buyers who want to reduce utility costs. Energy-efficient homes are often viewed as more environmentally friendly, making them attractive to eco-conscious buyers. The long-term savings on energy bills are a major consideration that could make your property more appealing in a competitive market. Improved natural light and views. New windows allow more natural light to enter your home, which can transform the atmosphere of your interior spaces. Increased natural light creates a brighter, more welcoming environment and can make rooms feel larger and more open. For buyers, this can make a home feel more inviting and cozy, especially when it comes to living areas or kitchens, which are often focal points of family life. In Bartow, with its scenic surroundings and pleasant weather, offering expansive views of the outdoors can be a huge selling point. New windows, particularly those with larger panes or picture windows, allow for unobstructed views of your yard, garden, or nearby landscape. The ability to enjoy the beauty of nature from the comfort of your home is a luxury that many homebuyers appreciate, making new windows a smart investment. Increased home value. Perhaps the most compelling reason to install new windows is the potential increase in your home's resale value. When prospective buyers see that your home has modern, energy-efficient windows, they view it as a home that has been well maintained and updated. This can create a favorable impression that can translate into a higher sale price. Research suggests that window replacement can yield a strong return on investment, often recovering a significant portion of the installation costs when you sell the property. In Bartow, where property values can fluctuate based on location, neighborhood trends, and overall demand, investing in new windows can help ensure your home remains competitive in the market. Homes with updated features, such as high-quality windows, typically sell faster and for a higher price than those with outdated or poorly maintained windows. Reduced maintenance and increased durability. New windows not only improve the look of your home but also reduce the ongoing maintenance required to keep them in good condition. Older windows may require frequent repairs, resealing, or painting. In contrast, modern windows are designed to be low maintenance and durable, often featuring materials like vinyl or fiberglass that don't require regular upkeep. This convenience is especially attractive to prospective buyers who want a home that is easy to care for. Additionally, new windows are often built to withstand the elements better than older models, providing better protection from Bartow's occasional storms, rain, and humidity. This increased durability can be a major selling point for homeowners who want to invest in a long-term, reliable property. Conclusion. In Bartow, where property values are influenced by various factors, installing new windows offers a simple yet impactful way to enhance your home's value. From improving curb appeal and energy efficiency to boosting natural light and reducing maintenance, new windows provide both aesthetic and functional benefits. Whether you're planning to sell or just want to enjoy a more comfortable living space, upgrading your windows is an investment that can deliver lasting returns.